Hi, everybody. My name is Savannah Hill, and I currently live in Colorado. I am the reading interventionist and enrichment teacher at an elementary school in Keensburg, which is actually about 30 miles east of Denver. This is my first year being the reading teacher. Prior to that, I taught third grade for 3 years at the same school. I would define multimedia as being able to use different technologies and different multimedia applications in your classroom in order to help students better their skills. I would say my strengths are that I'm not afraid to use technology in the classroom. I enjoy letting children get on different applications and use the technology to better their learning. It's really nice at our school. We're one-to-one school, so every kid in our school has a Chromebook to use, so that makes using technology very accessible. However, I would say my weakness is that I don't use a lot of different technologies. There's probably only two or three that I do use a lot. I don't venture out of what I know very often. And a lot of times I'm using the technology more as a free time and like a bonus instead of being able to utilize it day in and day out within the lessons. So one of my goals from not only this course, but the entire program here is to be able to implement technology into my lessons and being able to better use it to suit my students and have them use it to enhance their skills in their learning. I would say also my goal for this degree, I'm not really sure. I enjoy being in the classroom and I'm hoping to get back into a general ed class again. I'm not sure that I really want to move into a technology teacher at the school or in the district, but maybe using this would help me be on the technology committee for our district. So that's something that I might be interested in. But as for now, I think just staying in the general ed class is a good idea for me. Um, my experience with multimedia applications, like I said, I'm not afraid to use technology in the classroom. I have a good understanding of a lot of the Google applications that are available, and then just a few couple other free applications. But my experience is not really too intense, and I wouldn't say an expert with technology at all. And I also am hoping to gain better confidence with technology and applications that I can use in my classroom. So I'm hoping to learn a lot from you. I'm excited to get going with all of you, and good luck to everyone.